Hi Planet Friends, this is Kathleen with Apricot Planning, and I wanted to show off the Coca-Cola kit that's in my shop. It is so cute. I love Coke. And this is a mock-up that I did in a Michael's Recollection planner, and I just think it turned out really cute. We've got the black and the white with, of course, the Coke red, and then little accents of aqua kind of in two tones. So I think it is really cheerful and bright, and the best part is you can use this any time of the year. It doesn't go with the season. It is just fun. Coke is my favorite beverage, but part of what makes it special to me is I like all the nostalgia stuff around it too, all the old print ads and such. So I hope you guys like it too. Head on over to my shop to check it out. I have it for the Happy Planner, the Erin Condren Planner. I do a little mini TN kit, which is great if you're into bullet journaling or have a mini Happy Planner. And if you're in the Leafy Treetops Planner, I have it in vertical and horizontal there as well. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.